Hey folks, it's Fred here from Fasty's Garage. Just wanted to show you a new kit that we just got in today. It's now available on our website. For all you that have Challengers 17 and up that have the factory lighted air inlet tubes, we now have a drop-in board, real easy to install. RGBW. These are available, like I said, today on the website at fastysgarage.com. RGBW in stock, and we will have a chasing version available in mid-October, and we will be taking pre-orders on those pretty soon. So, but the RGBW with Bluetooth controller, all included, everything included in the kit. Takes about a half hour, 45 minutes to install. It's very easy, very simple install. Anybody can do it. So check it out, and if you're interested, pick one up today. They're available, ready to go. Thanks for watching.